Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to share with you guys that Tesla, in order to get rid of all the vehicles in the inventories, they are giving more incentive for you guys to buy the vehicle. Okay, so according to this poster, Sunny Bawa, he posted this, and it looks like he's from Canada or somewhere because they don't state it in the miles, but rather it's in kilometers. So it says right here, order a new Tesla, get an upgrade. Pick a color, any color. As a Tesla owner, you are eligible for our latest loyalty incentives when you take delivery of a qualifying Tesla by March 31st, 2024. Order and take delivery of a vehicle from our existing inventory and receive your choice of paint or interior upgrade, plus 8,000 kilometers of free supercharging when you trade in your current vehicle. We appreciate your support in accelerating the world transitions to sustainable energy. So as you can see here, you gotta trade in your vehicle. That's number one, and also you gotta pick it up. You gotta take delivery by March 31st. So as always, Tesla have a lot of things that they can throw at you to incentivize you. You know, whether it's free FSD for 3 months or supercharging for 10,000 miles. Yeah, but they do have a lot of things. They just want to get rid of all the Tesla in inventory. So other companies might not be able to do this because they don't have those, but Tesla, they do. So if you're in the market for buying a Tesla, maybe this is perfect time for you to buy one. All right, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.